Yo, what's good, YouTube? We back outside with another video. I'm back outside inside the M340, you feel me? You are. Today we are to be doing the lowering springs. I'm about to head over to the shop. I got the wheel spacers right here, you feel me? And then we got the H&R lowering springs. Hold on. Let me show y'all. Hold on, let me show y'all. We got the H&R lowering springs. Look at that, we still got all the bullshit, man. Lowering springs. I'm finally about to get them put on the V, man. If you know, you know. I had bought these a minute ago. Like, if you follow me on IG, you'll see I posted these like in like December. I ain't gonna lie, I posted these shits in like December. I'm finally getting them put on. Every single time it was either like the weather or some type of bullshit happens, feel me? But it's straight though. We about to get it situated. We about to get the lowering springs put on today, and yeah. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm jacking this weather. It been raining all week. And I come out, actually it was raining today, but like, it's looking a little bit bright outside. I ain't gonna lie, like the past couple of days have been like mad gloomy. And it also been mad cold too. Like, man, it been a little minute since I recorded, but we back outside though. And we about to get the springs on. Like, we got some actual content coming out. Like, we really lit though, like no cap. Make money, damn. Nah, she was looking at me crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Damn. What else? What else? What else? Running late to this one show, I need a counterfeit.
Yeah, the place too good, I might just settle down.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie though, y'all. I dead ass missed the B58 though. I ain't gonna lie. Let me put this bitch in sport. Wait, no, I think I already put it in sport. Yeah, it's already in sport. Nah, like, yo, and I got a new dash. I forgot to put y'all on. I got a new dash. I still need to put the sensor in. I've been mad lazy. Look, I still got the brake shit. I've been mad lazy, but I'm gonna get that shit situated though. I'm actually gonna put that shit. I'm gonna put that shit in right now. I'm gonna put this shit in today. But yeah, I missed the B58 though. Like, woo! Oh, I'm in the wrong lane. Chat. Police be deep down here. Like, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. If y'all in CT, watch out for Milford. They be bugging. Bugging in the residential. Oh my god. Oh, yo, how can you get tired of this, bro? I need my head strap. How can you get tired of this, yo? Oh my, nah, this shit need to get loud, bro. I gotta make this shit loud. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, once this shit get loud for real, bro, it's over. Now we bugging in the residential, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Eat that. Nah, yo, we really outside, bro. It's finally hot outside, feel me? Well, it's not hot, but oh. Yo, what's good, y'all? We back. I just put up to the shop. Feel me? This how. Let me show you how the M340 looking though, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, I forgot to tell y'all. I just put the carbon fiber mirrors on there, feel me? I ain't do this on camera. It was just like a little random ass day and I just threw them on. But I'm trying to record everything. I'm trying to put everything that I put on the car, I'm trying to record, feel me? But yeah though, this is how she's sitting right now. Show y'all. That's how she's sitting. I need to get some new tires. These bum ass tires, but look, we got mad gap right here. So we gonna put in the lowering springs. We about to see. Feel me? They pulling out a car right now, so I'm just waiting. But look, y'all. That's how the gap is looking right now. Nah, she coming together, y'all. She coming together. Hold on.
How do you want to do this up, Nick? What? You want to just do both sides, or?
Cute little plug there.
Holy cow. That thing is small.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the key. That's the key to the streets, man. W last owner. I got like a little med kit.
Oh shit.
W last owner, man.
Oh my god.
Yeah, though, y'all. These the springs, man.
I want to be like a tattoo artist, feel me?
My hands ashy as shit.
I gotta be tight like a condom. You can't have any room.
Oh, I was painting earlier, y'all. Look, got paint on my fingers. Bro, these shit's been sitting since December.
Right.
What's that outside of Scott?
Yeah.
What's wrong with the race, man?
You can run it. Nah, you can't pick on him.
What you mean? What you mean I can't pick on him?
Then you gotta race the Civic.
I told you that I'll race the Civic.
For money.
For money? Y'all, he trying to get money out of me, y'all. He trying to get money out of me, man.
Yo, bro. It's not that fast.
I know you just told me how much horsepower it got.
Yeah. But put weight into it. Fair.
Yeah, you do. Because when the wheel falls on your face.
Come on, bro. He's just trying to be safe, man. He's trying to be safe.
No. We'll do for food.
For food?
Yeah.
Chipotle?
Oh, we definitely do that.
Are you for real?
Who put these in, bro? Who did us like this?
Damn.
What happened?
Your wheel lock just completely snapped. Who did you like this, bro?
Who the fuck took
I have another
the
one.
wheel lugs down?
Oh, you got another one?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we gotta get that out now.
We can get that out. That's no problem. That's not the first time. Who tightened these shits? Where'd you get this car from?
Fucking door.
I don't even fucking know. Oh, the front's about to be some shit. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all have fun with the fronts. Bro, this is the last one, bro. There's no more after this.
Last one in existence.
We should probably drop it and do it by hand, yeah?
Definitely do it by hand.
It's not as crazy.
All right, y'all. Let's see.
not a lot of
Let's
material
see if he gets it out.
Oh. So I was working on an AMG today, bro. Oh my god. And the mod, like,
No, AMG, not OMG.
no, literally OMG, bro. That's how it felt. I'm like looking at this.
I got
I'm
the
like,
dad joke. My bad. Oh my god.
This door is special.
Yeah, I was sweating a little bit.
who did?
Bro.
God.
Yo, the last BMW was here. Oh wait, I think we got
He
the
said, how
extra
much
bolt.
torque? Yes.
All these BMWs, bro.
Look, got it right here, just in case.
What?
These rear bolts, bro. They always snap or get stripped. So I got an extra one just in case.
Oh, just in case. I want two last.
I might have to do some parkour inside of the car.
Why?
Cause I have like this brake sensor. I'm about to just throw it in real quick. On that side.
Yeah.
While y'all cook up.
We're not liable if you get hurt.
Regardless, it's content if I fall. So.
Content's content.
Oh god, what are we doing?
Parkour.
Parkour.
Oh shit! Guess what, guys?
It's right there.
Falling off. He's falling off.
Alright, scratch that.
Look at Toby though, y'all. Look at Toby, man. I'm trying. I knew somebody. I knew somebody was about to say something.
How did we just do something lower than the car? Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Let's see. We'll do it like they do on the YouTube. Crack them all by hand before you hit it with an impact.
Baby, yeah, that shit gon' swerve. Bella, how she blow my phone up, that shit get on my nerves.
I think she want me, she keep texting me.
Trust me, he's better than this with the cameras off, y'all. Cause the camera's on, y'all.
He's better than me.
I'm pressured. Still too much pressure.
So, is the rears easier than the fronts?
100%.
Oh.
100%.
Oh, so it's about to be crazy for the fronts.
Nah, we gonna work together.
Like 2 wrenches.
Oh shit.
We're gonna work together and bang out the fronts.
Dynamic duo.
Exactly.
I'm so unserious. Like I put up in a bonnet. Got the bonnet on, y'all.
I got my 4s on. Got slides on, bro.
Yeah, I was thinking about that.
I'm definitely not shop safe right now. And these shit's as dusty as hell from walking around my shop.
I mean, at least you got gloves on.
Facts. Always. Have to. Of course. Can't leave fingerprints. I mean, gotta be clean.
Gotta be clean. Gotta be clean and safe. Light. Oh yeah, so he just got the rears in, y'all. Look at that. Ah.
Slight work.
Ah, light work. Got the other side. Light work.
Now you're about to rip these fronts out.
Yeah, they about to get the fronts out right about now, I think. Maybe.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, look, we got the fronts out.
It's a boy.
Yo.
I'm gonna get this quick.
Nah, bro, shoot it out. Content, bro.
You want content?
Oh boy.
Oh shit.
I'll give you some content.
Oh boy.
Oh shit, y'all.
Pose it.
Oh, it didn't even shoot out, bro. It didn't even fucking shoot out. Alright, y'all, do not try this at home.
I am a semi-professional race car driver. You don't get where that's from, you're too young. Okay.
Yippee.
All done.
All
So
done,
like
y'all.
that. Now time for the other side.
Alright, one more left, y'all. Holy shit, the difference is crazy. Look at the difference, y'all. Hell, we about to be low to the flow. We about to be low to the flow, y'all. Look, y'all, I'm wearing all P World. I'm wearing all P World, y'all. Hold on. I'm wearing all P World, chat. All P World, man. Shout out to my boy P Dog, man. I'll go fuck with his brand. Yeah.
Ready?
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna start recording.
This world.
Here you go, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, but right now we're getting the spacers on. And then we about to get the wheels on, and we're gonna drop it. And then y'all about to see what it look like. About to go crazy. Bro, I never knew that they sit on like that. Like they kinda like,
Just float there?
yeah.
Yeah, they're held down by your wheel.
Bro, I did not know that shit.
Bro.
You gotta get the drop.
It's even gonna settle more too.
Yeah, it's still gotta settle.
Is that they didn't even settle.
You're gonna have to drop it.
Did you show him the video?
But yeah though, y'all, this how it's sitting.
I don't like this chain movement.
It still need to settle down a little bit, you feel me? But
Oh.
alright, y'all, look, this is like a better angle. I'll show y'all. There. Oh my god. Oh my god. She finally low, y'all. This is crazy. About to pull this bitch out. What's good, y'all? I ain't gonna lie. We made it to nighttime, but that's gonna be the end of the video. We got the lowering springs on for real. In the next video, I'm gonna really show y'all for real, because that's when it's gonna be like sitting. So in the next video, I'm gonna show y'all. That's it for the YouTube. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.